Hi, this is Gerard from Aerospace Research. Today we are going to build part 1 of the SkyCracker assembly. The most time-consuming component is building the motor mount tube. First of all, you will need the motor mount tube, 2 centering rings, and 1 thrust ring. This is the same as is used in a springbokkie, but in a springbokkie you put the recovery harness through that hole, while here we have a special hole for the screw eye on the centering ring to keep it away from the ejection charge. So first of all, check if your centering rings fit. A little bit loose, but that's easily fixed with a bit of masking tape. We will put on 1 layer at a time until it is very tight, and then we will do the other side. So you can see first layer done, and immediately you can see it is much better fit. In fact, this is tight enough. The thing is, even though the cardboard tubes are manufactured in a factory, they are monitored by humans, and sometimes just a little bit more or a little bit less of cardboard is applied to the tube, making it a millimeter thicker or thinner. So always check the fit. Once the glue is dry on the centering rings, we will then be able to check for fit inside the body tube, and if it needs to be sanded down, we can sand it down, but these are a little loose. So what we will do is we'll take masking tape and put it on the inside and thicken up the inside of the body tube, and then go from there, or simply apply masking tape to the outside of the centering ring. Now choose your top. Your thrust ring will go into the top. Because it's 3D printed, it has ridges on the side. You can hear my finger scratching on the ridges. And that's where the glue dries. So it's a mechanical bond with the wood glue. You don't need a lot. You put it in and turn. This will spread the wood glue across the inside and the outside of the tube. So just go smack it down, and now it's even. So next step, since we've tested the fit of the centering rings, small amount of glue, take your centering ring and start rotating it up and down. This spreads the glue across the masking tape and the inside of the centering ring. Put it down and push. It is now level or tabletop level. We are now going to do the same with the other one. Rolling it up and down, spreading the glue. This makes for a glue bond, not only on the inside but also on the outside. So it's actually making a mechanical lock on both sides of the centering ring. Motor mount assembly done. So we just leave that to dry and we will continue in the next video. Thank you.